but at any rate, let's see, duping the options hash for route options, and route options path or equals path if path is a string. Okay. Path without format. So that's going to be the path 2s dot sub colon form. Okay. So colon format. Path without format. So I think that, okay. I see. Dot format. So that's putting, so if you want to have like, I guess a generic route that takes any format, so the format being .json, .html, .txt, so that would be kind of a generic ender, for that path to be, anything that ends in a format, just capture it. So that would like kind of strip it out. So rather than, if we had this, our path here, path, comma, other path, colon format, or dot colon format, it would just kind of strip it down to just the other path part. All right. So if using match shorthand, I don't really know what that is. Path without format, route options, then route options 2 equals path without format dot gsub. Oh, okay. Gsub slash. Beginning slash. What is this %r? I want to see what that is real quick. %r abc. Okay, kind of half suspected that would do that. Okay, so check this out. That's pretty cool. I like that. So %r that. Okay, see what it did there? So it's not needing the escape for the slash, because if you did this, whoops, if we did this, that's going to be invalid, right? Well, it kind of opened up another oh man, now I'm in the middle of something. Okay, whatever, get out. So as you can see that, that's invalid. I'm kind of surprised that what happened here. That I don't know what Ruby tried to parse this as. But if we wanted the equivalent of our %r brace, caret slash end brace, we would need to backslash that slash inside the regex. So, instead of this, we would have to actually do that, Oh man, I'm still in the middle of something. Let me exit. Syntax error, finally. Okay. So yeah, so we did that. All right, cool. That's neat. I like that. All right, so it's going to gsub the slash with empty string, so get rid of any leading slash, and then substitute. Oh, what is this? Okay, so a regex, so it's going to be slash, and then any character that's not a slash, star, $. So that appears to be the kind of the final part of the path. So you know what? Let's put this. Let's try to figure out what this is going to do. But just as a guess, I think it will strip out the leading slash and then take the last. Let's see. The last part of the path, and it'll just be that. So if it's slash whatever slash something slash hello, it's going to be the slash hello, but not including that slash. So it'll just be hello. So let's try that. So here's our thing. So I'm just gonna well, let me just first define some strings. So slash whatever slash whoever slash hello, and then x.gsub that. All right, so then my guess was that this would be hello. Oh, I'm totally wrong. What happened there? Why did I screw that up? Oh, I'm okay. I see. It's okay. It's replacing the last. Let's see. Okay, I couldn't remember my regex syntax. This I thought this #/1 was the the first group, being this one right here. Oh, and I wasn't even reading this sub. I was just not reading this at all, was I? I need practice reading code, apparently. Good thing I'm doing this. So that's just a literal hash, and then the first group value. Okay, this makes more sense now. So then if this doesn't match anything, so I was suspecting that this would result in like nil if this match didn't happen. But now it makes more sense. It's just gonna, wait, now what will happen if that's not there? So if it doesn't match the regex, well, I think then it's not going to substitute anything, and it'll just return the original value. So if we change x to be, say, /hello, then I think this will just be /hello. No, it's going to replace the slash, so it'll just be hello. Ha, there we go. Whereas if we have, whatever /hello, that will be whatever hash hello. There we go. And the leading slash is ignored, so it'll just be the same thing. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. So that looks like that's kind of the the format in Rails routes, and just kind of straight up using that. And then route options 2.tr. What is tr bang? I don't think I've ever seen that. Trim? What is tr? Huh. And then decomposed match. Okay. I gotta look that tr up. So let's just see. Is that Ruby? Methods. tr exclamation point. Ah, it is Ruby. It's not Rails. Whoa, what happened there? tr, translate string in place using the same rules as string hash tr. Returns string or nil if no changes were made. Okay, returns a copy of string with the characters in from string, that's the first argument, replaced by the corresponding characters in toString. If toString is shorter than from string, it is padded with its last character in order to maintain correspondence. Okay. If toString is shorter than from string, it is padded with its last character in order to maintain correspondence. I assume that means just adding extra, in this case, stars? Whatever. Okay. Ah, I see. So if this were ELL and we did IP, then this would be HIPPO? Is that right? Oh, no. This is actually what's happening. Oh, okay. There, the last character has been, continued to maintain correspondence. I assume correspondence means this, just keeping the same length. Okay. Both strings may use C1 to C2 notation to denote ranges of characters, and from string may start with a caret, which denotes all characters except those listed, kind of like a regex. The / character can be used to escape. Well, what is this code? Is that just a bug? Is that a bug in the documentation? Looks like it, maybe. It can be used to escape caret or dash, and is otherwise ignored unless it appears at the end of a range or the end of the from string or to string. Okay. All right, so just kind of allowing you to escape carets, I guess, and escape dashes. Okay, so it's just kind of translating the string, so it's converting dashes to underscores. Okay. Decomposed match. Let's see if we can quickly figure out what this does. On equals options, delete on. Send on, so it's going to invoke on with the decomposed match of path options. Recursively calling itself? Huh. Alright, else case scope dot scope level when resources, nested decompose match when resource, member decompose match, else add route, path options. Add, okay, this is, I'm just really blowing through this in hopes to gain some understanding of what's going on. So path for action, taking the action, I guess getting the path. The action is that blah blah as equals blah blah. Okay. Mapping equals mapping.build scope set URI parser dot escape path as options. App condition requirements defaults as anchor equals mapping.toRoute. So I'm guessing toRoute just kind of takes all those various things from the mapping and gets it in an array. And then set.addRoute app conditions requirements defaults as anchor. Wow, okay. Well, routing has much more still to dig deep into. I may start up a new dive because this is just keeps the hole keeps getting deeper and deeper, and you know, as we can see, this file looks like it's maybe almost 2,000 lines long, which means this could keep going on forever practically. So, but you know, some interesting code going on here, and it looks like there's just a lot of, you know, these options going in and out of hashes and then getting like translated and then like converted to objects and then, you know, reversed back and passed around to other methods. And man, that's just a lot of indirection that's happening here. But I guess, you know, the router's a pretty complicated thing, so I presume each little piece is mostly understandable, I guess. I mean, there's no code in here that's all that tricky, really. It's just kind of a lot to take in and a lot to really kind of understand the bigger picture. And you know, I don't think I could really understand what's going on here unless I really spent like, you know, a good couple weeks, maybe even just kind of seeing all the pieces and trying them out and figuring out like what is each thing doing. Even then it might be difficult to really understand, because it looks like there's kind of things that, you know, supporting all these different ways of doing things just kind of adds up to all this extra code. The good thing though is that I think that this routing is setting up a, you know, some kind of object that then can quickly respond to incoming requests. So this is all this cost that's being paid here is all happening at the boot time of Rails. So your router gets processed and then built up and then is ready whenever a new incoming request comes. Although in the way development mode works, that does probably mean that all this stuff is happening, you know, on the fly every single time, because of the way development kind of reloads things, so that you can, you know, change your routes and it'll pick up those changes. So that does suggest that, you know, you're taking a big performance hit in development mode, which, you know, of course that makes sense, since, you know, that's what you get when you do development mode and having it reload everything all the time. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into routing. And next week I'm probably going to start a new path, but maybe someday we'll come back to routing and kind of explore this stuff maybe even deeper. But at any rate, if you like what you saw, go ahead and give this a like, and if you really liked it, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.